Now, good morning, dear boys. Today we have come here to learn about the parallel lines and perpendicular lines. This is very short video for all of you. Let us understand the parallel lines. First of all, we have to know what are the parallel lines. Two or more than two lines are said to be parallel. Two or more than two lines are said to be parallel if they do not meet or intersect when we produce them in either side, whether in the left hand side or in right hand side. They will not meet each other, and that time the two lines, respectively two lines, will be at same distance apart at every point on the lines. Let us see. I have written here, two or more than two lines are said to be parallel lines if they do not meet or intersect when produced in either sides of the line. Let us take two lines AB and CD. This is suppose CD. Let us take two lines AB and CD. We have taken, and these two lines are parallel lines because they will be because they are at same distance apart at every point. Suppose this is the point on the line CD, and if you draw the perpendicular distance between these two lines, you will get D1 at the point here. If you draw the same distance, you will get D2, and at the different point on CD, if you draw another perpendicular line, you will get D3 here. The distance between the two parallel lines AB and CD are D1, D2 and D3, and in this case, as these lines are parallel, so in this case we will say that D1, D2 equal to D3, that at same distance apart at every point on the line. Here D1 equal to D2 equal to D3, and as AB parallel CD. What we will read? We read it as AB parallel to CD. Now, this is the fact. You have to keep this in your mind. When two lines are parallel lines, and if we extend them, they never meet or intersect. And in this case, the two lines will be at same distance apart from each other. Now, perpendicular lines. What are perpendicular lines? When two lines intersect and make an angle of 90 degree. When two lines are given, and if we extend in either side, and at any time if they intersect or meet at 90 degree angle, at an angle of 90 degree, we say the lines are perpendicular. Here I have drawn two lines here, PQ and RS. These are the two lines, they have intersected here at O. This is the point O I have taken. We have taken O is the intersecting point of the lines PQ and RS, and they have made an angle at O 90 degree. This is the symbol of perpendicular, that is 90 degree. Now PQ perpendicular, we write this, we denote this PQ, this will be read as perpendicular RS. Read as perpendicular PQ perpendicular to RS, and as our angle ROQ equal to 90 degree. Now, next we will come over here. Some question we will do. Some question we will do over here. Let us see from question bank. Question bank 1, suppose question number 5. Now you tell me, this is the 5A, this is a figure is given, B is also another figure given, and C is also here. Another figure, this is C, and D is also given. You have to say that in which figure has only one pair of parallel lines. Only one pair of parallel lines. Here you see, here is in figure A, there is no parallel lines because all the lines are intersected. This line intersected here, these two lines intersected here, and these two lines have been intersected here. Now these have the, you see, these have the two parallel lines. Here it is this parallel this, and this line parallel to this line. This is also two lines parallel in this figure also. These are two lines parallel. Only figure C has the two parallel lines. Parallel does not mean that they are equal in length. Parallel means they will be at same distance apart and they will not intersect or meet to each other when they will be produced in either side. If you produce this line in these two directions, this also, they never will meet. So only one pair of parallel lines. One pair of parallel lines you are having in this figure. Now, in another question, how many pair of parallel sides can you see in the figure shown here? And now, how many pair of parallel lines can you see? This. Now, we cannot see. Now, how many pairs of parallel lines are there in a rectangle? In a rectangle, question number C. How many pair of parallel lines? This is the parallel line symbol. This is the symbol of parallel line. How many pair of parallel lines are there in a rectangle? In a rectangle, this is a rectangle. You know all whose length and breadth are equal. Opposite sides are equal also. Length and each angle 90 degree. This angle 90 degree. Now this is parallel to this, and this line also parallel to this. Opposite lines are parallel. That means in a rectangle, opposite sides are parallel. Okay? So two pairs of parallel lines. Two pairs of parallel lines are there in a rectangle. Thank you, my dear boys. Thank you. That's all for today. Have a nice day.